Best drone for under 500. Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we will discuss the best drone for under 500 that you can buy on Amazon. If you want more interesting videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. A drone can be an incredibly useful device to own, whether you're interested in capturing breathtaking footage or simply enjoying the experience of flying one. With a budget of under $500, you can find drones that offer a wide range of features and capabilities. These days, drones have become a common sight in various settings. Drone enthusiasts and professionals alike use them for a multitude of purposes, including capturing thrilling shots of extreme sports, assisting with fishing activities, and capturing stunning aerial selfies. Gone are the days when a high-quality drone would cost you at least $1,000. Nowadays, it's possible to find top-notch equipment priced at $500 or even less. Having a drone can be incredibly advantageous, whether you're an aspiring filmmaker seeking to capture cinematic footage or an individual who wants to experience the thrill of flying one. Drones available for under $500 offer a wide array of features and functionalities, making them a great option for various users. In today's world, drones have become a common sight, and their applications are vast. Drone operators utilize these devices for numerous purposes, ranging from capturing exhilarating moments in extreme sports to aiding in fishing expeditions and even capturing stunning aerial selfies. Gone are the days when owning a high-quality drone would cost you a fortune. Nowadays, with a budget of $500 or less, you can easily find drones that provide exceptional performance and cutting-edge technology. Remember, it's crucial to bold the title and all headings of the article and use appropriate headings for H tags. Additionally, at the bottom of the article, include the following custom message. I have prepared this video guide for the best drone for under 500. So let's get started. At number 5 is DJI Mini 2 Fly. Are you a passionate traveler and photography enthusiast? If so, then you'll be thrilled to discover the DJI Mini 2, the ultimate compact and lightweight drone that redefines the way you capture your favorite travel memories. Weighing less than 249 grams, equivalent to the weight of an apple, and fitting in the palm of your hand, the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect travel companion that will revolutionize your aerial photography experience. Traveling is all about capturing incredible moments and creating lasting memories. The DJI Mini 2 empowers you to elevate your photography skills to new heights. With its compact design and impressive features, this small drone is a game-changer for travelers and photography enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 2 is its OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology. With a range of up to 10 kilometers, this drone ensures that you can fly farther and explore more stunning landscapes. Its excellent anti-interference capabilities guarantee a clear and uninterrupted video transmission, providing you with a live feed of your aerial adventures. The DJI Mini 2 is designed to deliver exceptional performance in any environment. With a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, you have more than enough time to compose the perfect shot and capture breathtaking footage. Additionally, this remarkable drone can withstand level 5 winds, ensuring stability even in challenging weather conditions. Fly along a windy coastline or soar above an alpine forest without compromising the quality of your footage. Getting up close and personal with your subjects is now easier than ever, thanks to the DJI Mini 2's 4x digital zoom. Whether you're capturing landscapes or wildlife, you can now zoom in without physically moving the drone, ensuring convenience and safety. Transition seamlessly between shots of varying distances and compositions, and unlock a new world of creative possibilities. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 is the ultimate travel companion for photography enthusiasts. Its compact size, powerful performance, and advanced features make it an indispensable tool for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Pack light, fly free, and unlock your creative potential with the DJI Mini 2. At number 4 is Roku F11 GIM 2. In the world of drones, the F11 GIM 2 stands out as a remarkable device that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. With its impressive range, stunning camera capabilities, extended flight time, and advanced flight functions, this drone is a game-changer for both beginners and experienced aerial photographers. In this article, we will delve into the exciting features and functionalities of the F11 GIM 2 drone, highlighting its benefits for capturing breathtaking moments from the skies. The F11 GIM 2 drone is a powerful and versatile aerial device that opens up a world of possibilities for photography enthusiasts. Equipped with a range of impressive features, this drone offers an unparalleled experience in capturing stunning aerial shots. One of the standout features of the F11 GIM 2 is its exceptional camera capabilities. With its 4K resolution and electric image stabilization, EIS, technology, this drone ensures that your video recordings are incredibly stable and of the highest quality. The 2-axis gimbal further enhances stability, providing smooth and professional footage even in challenging flight conditions. Additionally, the 5x digital zoom and 80-degree adjustable lens allow for greater flexibility in capturing shots from various distances and angles. The F11 GIM 2 drone is equipped with built-in brushless motors, which provide exceptional stability and a quiet flying experience. Even in windy conditions, the drone maintains its position effectively, allowing for steady shots without any unwanted shakes or blurs. This feature is particularly beneficial for capturing professional-grade aerial photographs and videos. In conclusion, the F11 GIM 2 drone is a remarkable device that revolutionizes the world of aerial photography. With its extensive range, advanced camera features, extended flight time, GPS assistance, and stable flight performance, this drone caters to the needs of both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you are capturing scenic landscapes, action-packed sports events, or documenting your outdoor adventures, the F11 GIM 2 is your ideal companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the skies. Navigating the F11 GIM 2 drone is a breeze, thanks to its advanced GPS features. The drone comes with a variety of flight modes, including GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions. These intelligent flight modes enable the drone to autonomously track and capture your movements, making it perfect for activities like hiking, cycling, surfing, skiing, self-portraits, and documenting historical landmarks. At number 3 is DRC drone. The D10 drone is revolutionizing the world of aerial photography and videography with its exceptional features and user-friendly design. This article will delve into the remarkable capabilities of the D10, including its built-in 2K high-definition lens, 5G HZ/FPV real-time transmission, ease of use for beginners, enhanced safety features, longer flight time, exciting flight maneuvers, and innovative voice and gesture controls. Get ready to explore the skies and capture breathtaking moments like never before. The D10 drone is a game-changer in the world of drones, designed to provide stable and clearer views for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, it offers an unparalleled experience in aerial photography and videography. The D10 drone is equipped with a built-in 2K high-definition lens, ensuring crystal-clear imagery and videos. Whether you're capturing landscapes, sporting events, or special moments with friends and family, the D10 delivers exceptional image quality. With its 5G HZ/FPV real-time transmission, you can enjoy a live view from up to 262 feet away. Share your amazing views with just one click on social media platforms and let the world see the world through your eyes. The D10 drone is designed to be beginner-friendly, allowing anyone to experience the thrill of flying. With the one-key takeoff/landing feature, launching and landing the drone is as simple as pressing a button. Altitude hold ensures a smooth flight by automatically stabilizing the drone at a specific height. Whether you're a novice or an experienced pilot, the D10 makes it easy for you to take to the skies. Interacting with the D10 drone is a breeze, thanks to its innovative voice and gesture control capabilities. You can use simple voice commands like takeoff and landing to control the drone effortlessly, making the entire process more engaging and enjoyable. Furthermore, by directing a V sign or palm towards the drone's camera, you can trigger it to capture stunning photos or videos. These intuitive controls add a new dimension to your drone flying experience, making it truly unforgettable. The D10 drone redefines the way we capture moments from above. With its 2K high-definition lens, real-time transmission, user-friendly features, enhanced safety measures, extended flight time, exciting flight maneuvers, and innovative voice and gesture controls, it offers an exceptional drone experience for beginners and professionals alike. Take to the skies, unleash your creativity, and capture the world from a whole new perspective with the D10 drone. At number 2 is Holystone 2K. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture moments from above, providing a unique perspective and endless creative possibilities. However, finding a drone that can withstand strong winds and deliver stable flight can be a challenge. Introducing the largest and wind-resistant drone on the market, equipped with powerful motors and advanced features to ensure a smooth and enjoyable flying experience even in challenging weather conditions. Let's delve into the remarkable features of this drone and explore why it's the perfect choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this drone is its large body design, which contributes to its exceptional stability. The increased size allows for better aerodynamics, reducing the impact of wind resistance during flight. Combined with powerful motors, this drone can effortlessly hover and maneuver, maintaining stability even in gusty conditions. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial footage or simply enjoying a leisurely flight, this drone offers an unrivaled level of stability and control. Navigating a drone can be intimidating for beginners, but this drone simplifies the process with its user-friendly features. Headless mode eliminates the need to adjust the drone's orientation manually, making it easier to control and reducing the chances of crashing. Additionally, altitude hold ensures a steady flight at a predetermined height, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning visuals without worrying about maintaining the drone's position. These features make the drone accessible to users of all skill levels, providing a seamless and enjoyable flying experience. Gone are the days of complicated takeoffs and landings. This drone comes equipped with a one-key takeoff and landing feature, simplifying the operation process. With just a press of a button, the drone will smoothly ascend or descend, eliminating any guesswork or potential mishaps. Whether you're a novice pilot or an experienced enthusiast, this convenient feature saves time and ensures a hassle-free experience, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning aerial imagery. In conclusion, the largest and wind-resistant drone stands as a testament to innovation and engineering excellence. With its powerful motors, stability in adverse weather conditions, and user-friendly features, this drone is an ideal choice for beginners and enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile aerial companion. Whether you're capturing breathtaking footage, documenting your adventures, or simply exploring the world from a unique perspective, this drone delivers unparalleled performance and an unforgettable flying experience. Now moving to the last one is Holy Stone HS200. Are you looking for an exciting way to spend a happy weekend with your kids? Look no further than the HS200 drone, packed with various features that guarantee a thrilling and memorable experience for the whole family. With its altitude hold, emergency stop, 360 degrees flip, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing capabilities, the HS200 drone offers an array of functionalities to enhance your aerial adventure. The HS200 drone is a cutting-edge recreational device that promises to bring joy, excitement, and endless entertainment to your weekends with your kids. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. With the altitude hold feature, the HS200 drone maintains a steady hover at a specific height, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning aerial photos and videos without worrying about keeping the drone stable. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to take professional-looking shots with ease. Safety is a top priority when it comes to drone flying, especially when children are involved. The HS200 drone is equipped with an emergency stop function that enables you to instantly halt the drone's flight in case of any unforeseen circumstances. This feature provides peace of mind and ensures a secure and worry-free experience for everyone. Add an extra dose of excitement to your drone flying experience with the 360 degrees flip feature of the HS200. With a simple push of a button, the drone can perform impressive mid-air flips and rolls, leaving your kids in awe and creating unforgettable memories. Navigating a drone can be challenging, especially for beginners. The headless mode feature of the HS200 drone eliminates this difficulty by orienting the drone based on the controller's position, rather than the drone's front. This simplifies control and allows even novice pilots to fly with confidence. The HS200 drone is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to incredible adventures and lasting memories with your kids. With its various features, including altitude hold, emergency stop, 360 degrees flip, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing, this drone offers unparalleled fun and excitement for the entire family. So, grab your HS200 drone and get ready to explore the skies in style. The one-key takeoff/landing feature makes piloting the HS200 drone a breeze. With a single press of a button, the drone will gracefully take off or land, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for users of all skill levels. So guys, this was the video about the best drone for under 500. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.